hear a hum out here, so I came out to check it out. Not like from the highway. Not from the insects. And the birds have been dive bombing the cars all day. So it's something else, you can feel it. It's not the usual hum I hear. There's another hum. And all of that is moving in. Pretty fast too. Ooh, dragonfly visit. Like real dragonfly though. My little daisies and whatnot are full of them. It's my pollinator patch. It's under my citrus trees. I have hibiscus and jasmine over there for the bees to get the pollen. It's an avocado tree. So I need my pollinators, my plumerias, mango, guava, and olive in the back, banana. So pollinators are important to me. All my critters are. But something is off today, and it might be the storms. And I can hear something flying around over me. Where? I don't know. Can't see. I'll review it later and see what we find. Oh, got a little rainbow going. All right.